Gemini. Welcome back to Angel's Light Tarot. Thank you for stopping by for your weekly general message for November the 16th through November the 22nd. And of course, we are starting with the Lovebird bonus for those of you who are in a beautiful, beautiful romantic bond. Angels and guides, positive energy, please, for Gemini and the Lovebirds. We have Divine Masculine, Release, and Courage, Young Heart. Release. Sometimes the only thing to do is laugh or cry. It is up to you. Courage, young heart. Stand tall. Don't let love decrease. You are a warrior of peace. So I feel like this person, Gemini, this person is your person. This person is your ideal mate. There's something in this relationship this week that's requiring you to release. Yes. With the courage, young heart, it is okay. There's parts of this relationship that that part of the relationship is done. Maybe it's the bickering over, who left toothpaste on the sink or things of that nature. But apply that to your life as it fits. You fill in the blank, whatever, because this is your person. So whatever you're letting go of, it's okay. You can let it go. You don't have to hold it so tightly. All right. So let's look into, yes, positive energy for the singles. What's the energy for singles, angels? Positive energy for singles. Gemini, what is going on here? Angels, thank you. What's the messages? We have intimacy, someone's close to you. With believe and learn. Believe, magic is there when you believe. So dream big, things you can achieve. With the learn, a little nudge, it's now your turn. Put your thinking cap on, it's time to learn. I feel like when it comes to love, there is an element of there's someone around you that wants to be close to you, but you don't really believe that that's true, that's possible. So take some time out to look at everyone that is around you this week, because someone has their eye on you, or you have your eye on someone and you just don't believe. Are they really into me? Or vice versa, are you really into them? It's almost an element of it's too good to be true. You know how they say the pretty girls don't get a date because all the guys are like, oh, she'll never be with me. Yeah, or vice versa. The handsome guys don't get a date because the girls think, oh, yeah, it's kind of like that. He'll never be with me. Take a chance, okay? Take a chance. All right, now, let's get right into your, your general message for the third week of November. Angels and guides, positive energy, please. Positive energy for, thank you, for Gemini. Angels, what's going on? What's going on for Gemini? And we're going to add, yes, the thank you. We're going to add my mama's deck. There we go, my mama's deck. And then we're going to go ahead and move on to the next deck. Yes. Angels, what's going on? What is going on? We're going to apply the Dragons deck. Now, remember, Gemini, if this is taking too long, go ahead and move that little button. Move that little button. You're like, I'm gonna move that button, all right. Angels and guides, positive energy. Let's go ahead and top off this message with the Hummingbird deck. Angels, what's going on? What is going on? Positive energy for thank you, and thank you. Now, let's go ahead and let's see what is going on. All right, so are we ready? Major theme for the week is the eight of Wands with the 3 of Diamonds, the 2 of Clubs, timing, 10 of Clubs, and the 3 of Diamonds. So I feel like with the 8 of Wands, there's some love coming. There's some love coming to you, and it's coming quickly. So much so, it's kind of got you worried. With the Two of Clubs, there's a lot of people wanting to talk to you this week, and you're like, do you have enough time to talk to all of these people? With the Ten of Clubs, yes, because you have something to share with these people about. I feel like it's about something creative, maybe creative money, maybe creative ideas or things of that nature. But people are coming to you, Gemini. They want you to share, impart your knowledge on them, if you will. This could be people that you work with. This could be family, friends, but they have a lot of love. It's not like they're just taking from you. They're also giving you love. They're giving you adoration, if that makes sense, okay? Now, when we look in the recent past, we have the Nine of Pentacles with the Eight of Clubs, the Four of Clubs, the Mystery with the Nine of Diamonds, and the King of Spades. So I feel like in the recent past, financially speaking, everything seemed to be okay. You were pretty confident in where you sat. With the Four of Clubs, yeah, you were definitely confident of where you sat. The mystery around it all was that you actually had everything that you needed. Now, granted, financially speaking, with the King of Spades, it took a lot of work for you to get what you got, but you managed that in a very, you managed it, you did it so well that it even shocked you, okay? Now, when we look in the middle of the week, we have the Moon card reversed with the Two of Diamonds, the Seven of Diamonds with the Kindness card, and the Queen of Clubs with the Five of Clubs. So in the middle of the week, with the Moon card reversed, it feels like things that you weren't certain of, you totally understand now with the Two of Diamonds. Practicing non-attachment to whatever these financial goals are is definitely going to bring you. Be kind in these situations. It's definitely going to give you the things that you desire most. With the Queen of Clubs, make sure you're following each and every step. You're checking to see if your I's are dotted, your T's are crossed. With the Five of Clubs, because things could possibly change on minutes notice. So be ready for that and make sure you've done your due diligence when it comes to, I feel like, partnerships, financial partnerships. These partnerships could be with a person, it could be with a business, it could be with a bank, it could be with a hospital, but whatever it is, make sure you do your due diligence. So when things change, you already have everything squared away. So if it changed, you're good because you follow through on everything. Now, when we look at the end of the week, we have the Seven of Pentacles with the Three of Hearts, the Five of Spades, opinions with the Nine of Clubs, and the Five of Diamonds. So by the end of the week with the Seven of Pentacles, it definitely feels like you've completed some things financially that you needed to get done. And boy, you feel so much better. There's still some worry about these changes because people tend to have their opinions, right? They have their opinions, but let it go. Let those opinions go because these changes are for you. You've done the work. You've done the fine tuning. There might be people around you that think, they want to talk about your life. They want to talk about how you handle your life. They want to talk about how you handle your resources. But let it go. Just let it go because this is the best thing for you, right? Everyone does the best thing for them. But when it's someone else, they have a million things to talk about, right? Because it's not their life. Now, when we look at your bonus, you have the Ace of Wands reversed with the Ten of Diamonds, Pentacles, with the Queen of Spades, the Jack of Diamonds, consistent, Ace of Hearts, and the Four of Spades. So your bonus is telling me that you're waiting for a new beginning. You're definitely waiting for a new beginning. When it comes to finances, I feel like this is money that's coming to you. This is definitely money that's coming to you. With the Queen of Pentacles, it feels like you're not really in charge of this. I feel like you have to wait on them, if that makes sense. You have to wait on them. With the Jack of Diamonds, I feel like in your intuition, you're using your intuition, and you know that with the consistent card that things are going to, it's got to do this, and then, red tape. I hear red tape. It's got to go through red tape and red tape and red tape. And this really, with the Ace of Hearts, this is all about your security in life with the Four of Spades. I feel like this is going to take a lot of work to get done, but it is not unattainable. It is attainable as long as you pay attention to the details, read the fine print. Things will definitely, even when things change, you're still okay because you're already prepared. You prepared yourself for anything. If that changed, I got this. If this changed, I got that. Yeah, you've taken care of things, okay? You have put out fires before they even started, okay? So yes, things will work out great. People are going to come to you. People are going to have their opinions about the way you handle your finances, your life, and things of that nature, but do what's best for you. So I send you joy, namaste, and much, much love sent your way.